Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to discuss how to check if a value is present in any of your variables or in multiple variables at once in Python. So suppose I have three variables, variable 1 which I'm assigning 1, variable 2 I'll assign a value 2 to it, variable 3 and I'll assign a value 3 to it. I am taking here integer values, but if you are going to use this program with string values, then you have to write something like variable 4 is equal to green. Uh, Whatever string values are there, they will come inside the quotes, and if you want to write up an integer value, you will write without quotes. So let's comment it. Now I want to see, suppose I want to check if 4 is there in any of my variable values. So what I'll just write if 4 in, and then I can take a list and I can check if that 4 value is present in a variable 1 or variable 2 or variable 3. And if it is present, then I want to write something like print value found, and if it is not present, then I want to write something like print value not found. And this is the statement that I want to print out. It should be enclosed in quotes. So let's see if 4 is present in any of our variables or it is not. So when I run it, it shows me value not found because 4 is not present in any of my variables. If I check the same program with the value 2, then it shows me value found because 2 is there in my variables. It is assigned to variable 2. Now this is how we write such kind of program with enclose. What if we don't want to go with enclose? We want to use a logical operator, and then we want to compare if the value is present in any of our variables. So suppose if we write our program something like this: if 2 is equal to variable 1, or 2 is equal to variable 2, or 2 is equal to variable 3. So we can check it like this as well. So if 2 is there, it will show us value found. If 2 is not there, then it will show us value not found. So it's showing us value found. And suppose if I write up in here 4 and then check it, and it is showing value not found. But sometimes when we are beginners, we do one mistake here. Instead of writing this whole statement as it has been written here, we tend to write it like this. We will not get the correct result. Why? Because the way how this whole expression evaluates is, it will go to this first condition and check if it is true. If it's true, then it will come here. If it is false, then it will go to this next condition. And then if this one is also false, then it will go to this next condition. So here first it will check if variable 1 is equal to 4, and it found to be false, so it went to this condition. Then here it will check if variable 2 is present with non-zero value. It won't compare variable 2 to the value 4. It will compare if variable 2 is present with non-zero value. And here we have variable 2 which is present with non-zero value. So then it will evaluate to be true, and then it will say value found. So if I run it, like it says value found. So any time when we are writing, we are comparing the variables with a value with such clause, then we have to be very careful about this thing. Now suppose if variable 2 and variable 3 were zero values. In such case, it will first check if variable 1 is equal to 4 and it is false, and then it will go to if variable 2 has some non-zero value and it was actually 0, then it will go to here and to check if variable 3 has non-zero value and it was equal to 0. So then it will come to this else condition and we will see value not found. So if I execute this thing, then it shows value not found. So be extra careful when you use such kind of clause while comparing the variables to a certain value. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to see more of such kind of videos, consider subscribe.